Welcome back, viewers. Welcome to our ultimate guide on the top 6 best juicer machines. If you're passionate about fresh, nutritious juices and are on the hunt for the perfect appliance to kickstart your healthy lifestyle, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore 6 exceptional juicers that stand out for their efficiency, ease of use, and innovative features. Whether you're new to juicing or a seasoned enthusiast, these juicers offer something for everyone. We'll delve into powerful motors that effortlessly handle even the toughest produce, user-friendly designs that make cleanup a breeze, and advanced technology that maximizes nutrient extraction. From compact models ideal for small kitchens to high-capacity machines perfect for families, we've got you covered. Get ready to discover the ideal juicer that will help you create delicious, vitamin-packed beverages right at home. Let's dive in and find the juicer that's right for you. Number 1. Qcen Juicer Machine. Perfect solution for all kitchens. Introducing the Qcen Juicer Machine, a powerful 500W centrifugal juicer designed to make your juicing experience quick and efficient. Featuring a wide-mouth 3-feed chute, this juicer allows you to easily process whole fruits and vegetables, minimizing prep time. The robust stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the BPA-free components provide a safe and healthy juicing environment. Easy to clean and user-friendly, the Qcen Juicer Machine is perfect for anyone looking to incorporate fresh, nutritious juices into their daily routine effortlessly. Whether you're a juicing enthusiast or a beginner, this machine delivers convenience and quality in every glass. Number 2. AMZCHEF Juicer Machine. Delivers delicious results with efficiency. Introducing the AMZCHEF Slow Juicer, a high-performance masticating juicer designed to extract maximum nutrients from your fruits and vegetables. This cold-press juicer operates at a slow speed to preserve vitamins, enzymes, and minerals, ensuring that you get the healthiest juice possible. Equipped with a reverse function to prevent clogging, it offers a seamless juicing experience. The sleek green design adds a touch of style to your kitchen. Included with the juicer are a brush for easy cleaning and a collection of recipes to inspire your juicing journey. Ideal for health enthusiasts and anyone looking to boost their daily nutrient intake, the AMZCHEF Slow Juicer combines efficiency, convenience, and quality. Number 3. Margaritaville Portable Blender. Ideal choice for efficient and convenient blending. Introducing the Margaritaville Maui on-the-go portable blender, the ultimate frozen drink machine designed for those who crave resort-quality beverages anytime, anywhere. This cordless blender is perfect for making refreshing margaritas and other shaved ice drinks on the go, whether you're at the beach, a picnic, or a backyard party. Its compact portable design ensures you can easily transport it to any location, while its powerful motor and precision blades deliver smooth, perfectly blended drinks every time. With the Margaritaville Maui on-the-go portable blender, you can enjoy the taste of paradise wherever you are. Number 4. Brecious Juicer Machine. Homemade juices every day. Introducing the Brecious Slow Masticating Juicer, a versatile cold-press juicer designed to extract the highest nutritional value from your fruits and vegetables. With 2 speed modes, it efficiently handles both soft and hard produce, ensuring maximum juice yield and minimal waste. The quiet motor allows for a peaceful juicing experience, while the reverse function prevents clogging and makes cleanup effortless. BPA-free and easy to clean, this juicer is perfect for making fresh, healthy juices, including nutrient-rich celery juice. The Brecious Slow Masticating Juicer combines performance, convenience, and quality to help you enjoy delicious, homemade juices every day. Number 5. Aeitto Juicer Machine, made from durable stainless steel. Introducing the Aeitto Juicer Machine, a top-of-the-line cold-press, masticating juicer designed to maximize the nutritional value of your favorite fruits and vegetables. Featuring a quiet motor, this juicer operates smoothly without disturbing your household. The triple modes allow for optimal juicing of various produce, ensuring you get the best yield whether you're juicing leafy greens, hard vegetables, or soft fruits. The reverse function helps prevent clogging, making your juicing process seamless. Easy to clean with the included brush and crafted from BPA-free materials, the Aeitto juicer is perfect for those seeking a healthier lifestyle. Additionally, it comes with a recipe guide to inspire your juicing journey, making it easier than ever to enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich juices every day. Number 6. JoyBear Juicer Machine. Nutrient-rich juices with minimal effort. Introducing the JoyBear Cold Press Juicer, a premium slow masticating machine designed to make juicing whole fruits and vegetables a breeze. Featuring a 4.3 extra large feed chute, this juicer allows you to fit whole produce, reducing prep time and making batch juicing effortless. The self-feeding design ensures continuous operation, while the powerful 200W motor delivers a high juice yield, extracting maximum nutrients from your ingredients. Easy to clean and crafted from BPA-free materials, the JoyBear juicer ensures both convenience and safety. Ideal for health enthusiasts, this juicer combines efficiency and simplicity, providing fresh, nutrient-rich juices with minimal effort.